Most men don't realize they're losing testosterone until their body starts warning them. Not with pain, not with disease, but with silent changes. Less energy, weaker focus, reduced drive, and a body that no longer responds the way it used to. Testosterone is not just a hormone. It is a core regulator of male health and vitality. From reproductive function to muscle strength, from bone density to mood stability, from cognitive sharpness to overall physical performance, testosterone influences nearly every major system in the male body. Because of this wide-ranging impact, it is often referred to as the primary male hormone, or T. When testosterone levels decline, the effects are gradual. They build quietly over time, often mistaken for stress, aging, or lifestyle issues. Below are scientifically recognized indicators that may suggest low testosterone levels. These signs are observational and do not replace medical testing. 1. Reduced morning erections. Regular morning or nighttime erections are commonly associated with healthy testosterone levels. Frequent erections during sleep often indicate normal hormonal function. In contrast, infrequent or absent morning erections may signal declining testosterone. 2. Loss of drive and ambition. Testosterone is linked to motivation, competitiveness, and goal-directed behavior. Men with healthy levels often display persistence and initiative. A noticeable reduction in ambition or assertiveness may be associated with low testosterone. 3. Persistent fatigue. Testosterone supports mitochondrial activity through its influence on energy metabolism. If adequate sleep and nutrition are present, but fatigue remains constant, low testosterone may be a contributing factor. 4. Increased abdominal fat. Testosterone helps regulate fat metabolism. When levels decrease, fat metabolism slows, and accumulation often begins around the abdomen, sometimes even in physically active individuals. 5. Mood changes and reduced confidence. Testosterone affects brain regions responsible for emotional regulation. Lower levels have been associated with anxiety, low mood, irritability, and reduced confidence. Research shows a correlation between depression and reduced testosterone. 6. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Testosterone supports areas of the brain involved in memory and decision-making. Symptoms such as forgetfulness, mental fatigue, or poor focus may be related to hormonal imbalance. 7. Reduced motivation. Testosterone influences dopamine activity, which affects motivation and reward processing. Low testosterone is often linked with procrastination, loss of interest, and decreased enthusiasm. 8. Sleep disturbances. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep cycles. Frequent awakenings, poor sleep quality, or inconsistent sleep patterns may disrupt testosterone production and create a reinforcing cycle of decline.